Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well. Today I have a very interesting product to talk about. This is a teeth whitening powder. It is the Beauty Co's teeth whitening coconut shell activated charcoal powder that polishes your teeth and removes plaque and whitens your teeth. But before moving forward, if you are new here, I am Lisa and I do try out a lot of products here on my channel and I share my experience. If you feel interested, please do consider subscribing to me. So I bought this teeth whitening powder with activated charcoal from Nykaa, and this is retailing for 600 rupees. For a while now, almost around 7-8 months, I was noticing my teeth was looking a bit yellow. It's not completely yellowish because I maintain a good oral hygiene, but I started noticing a bit yellowness in my teeth, and there are variety of reasons why your teeth looks yellow or turns yellow. For me, drinking apple cider vinegar without a straw, drinking black coffee and some Cokes, Pepsi, Thumbs Up, this all lead to yellowness of my teeth getting yellow. So these are the basic reasons why my teeth started getting yellow. When I noticed that my teeth started getting yellow and I realized that drinking apple cider vinegar has something to do with that, I started using straw with my drink. I am using reusable straw for my apple cider vinegar. So yeah, that is the reason I started getting yellow teeth. But recently I thought that why not try this product. It was right on Nykaa. I was actually looking for some other product while I got my eyes on this. So I have been using this for almost 3 weeks now, a little over 3 weeks. Let me first start with how to use this product first, how I use it, and then I will talk about what it did or didn't do for me, and I will share my complete review with you guys. This is an instant teeth whitening powder that polishes teeth, removes stain, eliminates bad breath, cleans and whitens teeth, removing unwanted coffee and tea stain. Also says will strengthen the gums and give a minty freshness. This powder looks black and has a granulated texture. I usually use this Oral-B brush that has black bristles, but today I am using the white one. These two are actually very okay kind of brush, nothing fancy about it. According to the directions, we have to dip damp brush into the tub to get the powder on the brush, but I do not do that. It seems kind of unhygienic. So I take a tiny amount of powder on the lid and dip my brush into it. I dust excess powder off. You can see the powder sticks to the damp brush very easily. I also wet my mouth a little bit and brush my teeth as I would normally do. It's a basic teeth brushing routine. It has a mint smell to it but does not taste minty at all. It actually does not have a taste, I think. Feels like brushing my teeth with ash. Has a granulated texture like fine dust or sand. It feels like exfoliating my teeth and gum. I will brush my teeth for 1 to 2 minutes and then wash off my mouth with water. I actually have to wash my mouth at least 10 times to remove this product, but still I can feel little particles around my mouth. Very annoying. As you can see guys, it did not stain my mouth or my tongue, but it did not provide any kind of freshness. No minty freshness here. It just smelled minty but no minty freshness or taste in my mouth. So after using it for this long, I did not notice any kind of whitening effect on my teeth. It did not really whiten my teeth in any way, but it does say that it polishes our teeth and removes plaque. It did not actually remove my plaque, but it does feel like it polishes your teeth and gum, and it is not a good thing actually. It is way too much harsh on my teeth and my gum. I don't think that it is a good thing to rub your teeth and your gum with this kind of product every day, because it does feel like a granulated product. The texture of this product is quite granulated and sand like, I don't know, it feels exactly like rubbing your teeth with a teaspoon of sand. So I don't think that rubbing your teeth and your gum with this kind of product can be healthy for your gum. The entire experience of using this product so long has been very unpleasant for me. I did not really like using this product every day. When I use this product, it is not a good experience for me. I actually had to brush my teeth with my regular toothpaste again to actually clean this out of my teeth. So I don't see the point of using this product, and given the price point, it is retailing for 600 rupees, and to be honest guys, it feels quite expensive. So I don't see the point of using this. If you really have yellow teeth and you are really concerned about it, it is not because of your bad oral habit, then you should definitely go visit a dentist, and they can actually give you prescribed teeth whitening gel that will actually work for you. So this one seems quite useless and waste of money, and also I don't feel like it is going to be healthy for your gum health, especially your gum health. I can't say about your teeth, but I don't feel like this can be healthy for your gum. Unfortunately, this did not work for me, and I don't see it working for anyone. It might polish your teeth, but so does a sandpaper. That does not mean that we rub our teeth with sandpaper, right? So this review is completely my own experience, what I felt using this and what I think about this product. Of course, everyone is entitled to their own opinion, so it will differ from person to person. If you use this and you like this, good for you. It is working for you, but it didn't work for me and I didn't like this product. If you still want to try this product, I will give the link in my description box. You can check it out. I hope this review helped you even a little bit. If so, give me a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to me, because I do really need all of your support here. I will catch you guys next week. Until then, take care. Bye.